Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Tesla Model X frunk manually. Locate the manual release under the front trunk liner, then pull the orange lever firmly until the latch clicks and the hood pops. Stand to the side and lift the frunk slowly to avoid pinching. If resistance remains, stop and inspect the latch area for debris or misalignment before trying again for safety and smooth operation. Before you start, ensure the car is in park and the power is off to prevent unexpected movement. Use gloves and a flashlight so you can feel and see the orange release lever clearly beneath the liner. Keep fingers away from the hood edge as you lift the frunk to avoid injury. If the lever feels damaged or stuck, stop and seek professional service to prevent further damage or personal harm. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content for you. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during car maintenance, fits cup holders, and is leak resistant, which is handy when you're working near the frunk. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want convenience, and now let's get back to the video. Get close to the front of the vehicle and gently open the bumper cover if needed to access the liner. Reach inside, find the orange manual release, and pull it with a steady, deliberate motion until you hear the latch release. Stand to the side and lift the frunk lid slowly, supporting it so it doesn't drop. After opening, inspect the mechanism and secure any loose liners before closing to ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.